again, your Mama Bear.
And your Angel Bear.
And your Granny Bear. And welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, yes, mga tumig prints kay naituyo si Mommy and we'll be buying anything in alphabetical letter. And nasa twist kaya dili magpagawas og cash. Ang among gamiton ra is ang points ni Mommy sa iyang Prince loyalty card. So, let's go!
Langga
na nami karon diri sa Prince Hypermart and magsugod na mig pamili according sa alphabetical order. So go. So mga langga, among Bisaya man me. So ang Bisaya ani is antipara. Antipara, so good for letter A. Asa man na? Go.
Blue green.
Duha ka bok?
Duha kay 69.
Ang Bisaya ani lang kay antipara man. So A, letter A, go. Gagal. Letter D.
Pumili ka lang ng 1,000 worth of any participating items at makakakuha ka na ng isang raffle entry. At kung royalty member ka, dalawa na yung makukuha for a maximum of 5 entries. Ano pang hinihintay nyo?
Ball pen. Langga, nalibog ko sa akong letter C. C for top. C for ay, kabalo na ko. C for unsa man maluo. C for what? C for cup. Cup. Yes. There you go. C for cup. Ngi mahal. Like 30 today. C for cup. Akong Angel Bear. Ching, 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 ding, 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 ding. Oh, natay letter D for Downy. Ching. And natay letter E for 8 o'clock. And mga langga, we have letter F. Fish cracker. Mag-isulod na. So, na siya. We have ginisa mix flavor seasoning mix for letter G. Ching. And letter H for hammer. So, na siya. Si Mudra Belly ang movie. Mommy is so mayo kay si Mommy. So we have this ice blanca for letter I. We have letter J for joy. Yeah, joy gang. So letter K for kettle corn. Yes. Wow, go kay si Mommy. Mga langga, we have letter L. Laundry stool. Yes. Shane. M for monster. Monster man. Yes. Monster. Letter N. For Nova. Letter O for Oishi. Parang mommy color red. So, Ching! Mga langga, na namili letter P for pale. Yes. Sabi ka kayo, bala ka dyan. At quick and easy gravy mix for our letter Q. Correct. Here. For letter R. Regis. Regis? Kalubasa. Mga langga, natay letter S, which is kaning spoon, fork, case. Yay! Langga, we have letter T for tumbler. Yes. Mag-twinning mini Zachary. Na ko yun ani. So, for school. Among palitan sa letter U mga langga is si Angel Bear. So, yes. Underwear for letter U. Same. And we also have V. Karirang gamay na. For V-cut. Annyeong. We have wow ulam for letter W. Wow ulam na lang. Kani afritada. Shame. Finally, we found letter X. XO. Go Angel Bear. Oh my God. Letter Y ang Yugo. Diba? Nice with the challenge na lang. So, this is for Zachary. Oh, mayroon ka ito ganyan eh? Hindi ko. Sari na lang. Zachary. Have letter Z for John Rock.
A few moments later.
Mga langga, mo to siyang among nahimong challenge, which is ang buying everything in alphabetical order with Angel Bear and Granny Bear. So, super nalingaw me. Kay super ni cooperate kayo si Mami no Jing. As in, super. So, before this video will end, dami mga shoutouts dire.
Shout out to Liso Jean or AZ. Hi AZ.
Hi. And also to Baby Z. Yes, hi. Annyeong. And also again, shout out to Randy Magusara from viewing from Sipalay City, Negros Occidental. Thank you kayo sa pirmi pag-watch sa mong mga vlogs. Thank you so much. And
shout out to Lord's Vlog.
yes.
Hi.
And syempre, kanipod siya. Pero may mag-watch sa akong mga vlogs, mag-comment. To Koy Koy TV, hi! Hello! Hi, hello! To Ramas family and Centino family from Cagayan de Oro. Annyeong! So, ang magpa-shoutout nila, just comment at the comment section. And also, please don't forget to
Like,
share and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified if we have a new uploaded video. So again, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed because we're just spreading
good vibes and
love to everyone. So see you again to our next vlog. See ya! Ciao!
Ciao.